Afternoon everyone, I've literally just had my little Greene paint delivery and I thought I'd do an unboxing with you all. We're planning on decorating the living room this month and I wanted a similar colour to this but not as dark. So I will show you the tester we bought and if we actually choose to go ahead with it. So this is the little Greene paint box. It's really cute, all cardboard, nice and sustainable. We're liking it already. And then I opened it up. First things first, I'm a little bit sad that I only ordered one tester because I'd have loved to have seen this full, but no plastic, loving that. And also you have got a little tea bag so you can sit back and relax and watch your paint dry if you want, or at least sit back and observe it. And a paintbrush to put it on the wall with, which is perfect because I'm a nightmare and never ever paint mine. This is the paint we're going for, so let's get it on the wall and see what it looks like. So this is it on the wall. This is the colour we've actually got in the kitchen at the moment. It's quite weird because I love our kitchen, but this looks so dark in here. This is the Slaked lime. It's got really good coverage. I've actually covered over a bit of the kitchen colour here as well, and you can hardly see it. So it's a really good first coat. I really like it. I think it goes on very well. You can see like really heavy brush strokes in this dark one, whereas you can't in the light. I know you're probably picking up differently on camera, but I think we're sold. We are going for the Slaked lime.